Let's do a SQL practice problem. Our prompt is, write a query to find the users that joined in 2022 and made a purchase in 2022. Return the IDs smallest to largest. So let's come down here and check out our data. We'll preview this users table. This will give us our user ID as well as our join date. And then we also have a second table called orders. And this order table has our order ID, the order date, and our buyer ID. And we can just kind of tell from context that the buyer ID will be our link to the user ID in the users table. The only thing we want to return in our query is ID, so the only thing in our select statement will be user ID, and we'll be starting with the users table. And because we'll be pulling from two tables, we will go ahead and alias the user table U, and we'll also put a U dot before our user ID column. Now let's go ahead and join our tables, and we only want to return users that were mentioned in both of these tables because we have two conditions that reference each of the tables. So because of that, we'll be using the inner join, and we'll be joining on the user ID as well as the order ID from the orders table. Next, we want to apply two conditions to our result set. First, we want to find only the users that joined in 2022. So we will do where year of the join date equals 2022. This year function is super helpful for a case like this. And our other condition is that the user also made a purchase in 2022. So we'll do the same exact thing for the order date. Last, we want to order our ID smallest to largest, so we will order our user ID ascending. Let's come up here and run our code, and it looks like we just have one user that fits both of these conditions. Let's come up here and check our answer, and yay, we did it. If you want to do practice problems like this yourself, I did this one with Analyst Builder. Some of the questions are free, some of the questions aren't. Use code Elijah25 for 25% off any courses, bundles, or subscriptions.